Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about a new lesson, Unit 3, Prose, a visitor from distant lands. Summary of the lesson. This lesson is about native and imported vegetables. In this lesson, there are four main characters: Dad, Mom, Money, Money's sister Selvi. One day, when Amma served potato curry, Money's favorite dish, he refused. He told that potato is a foreign vegetable and he would like locally grown food. Tomatoes, pineapple, corn, lady's fingers were other foreign vegetables. When Mani asked how these vegetables reached India, his father explained that merchants brought them by sea. The merchants came to India to take spices and in turn Portuguese gave as potatoes. The chilies were grown in South America where Columbus discovered it and later it reached India and Portuguese. Before chilies we used pepper in cooking. Next we are going to see about the lesson conversation type. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. One day when Amma served potato curry, Mani liked only a few vegetables. Potatoes and lady's finger were the two that he liked very much. I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetable, said Mani. They are not. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stand, said Selvi. Dad. So what? Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India, said Mani. Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food, said Mani. Mani. She also told us to use things made in our country. Selvi. What else did your teacher tell you? Mani. And you cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice? Mom. Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie. Selvi. Mani. Then you can't order anything? Mani. Why? Why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Mom. Don't you know that corn, tomatoes, and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries? Selvi. Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? Father. No, some merchants brought them here long ago by sea. Mani. Why did they bring vegetables to India? Amma and Appa laughed. Selvi. They could have brought some sweets. Why didn't they? Mom. People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. Mom. Imagine the joy of the sailors when they reached Kozhikode and found black pepper. They took a lot of pepper back to their country. Selvi. They took spices from India. Mani. Yes, but who brought the vegetables into India? Father. The Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables. Mani and Sylvie looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it. Mani. Wow! This potato has traveled so far. Mom, careful, Selvi, don't upset our foreign visitor. Selvi pulled a long green chilli out of the curry. Selvi, who? Who is our foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me. Father, no, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chili. Father, chilies were very popular in South America, but no one else in the world knew of this spicy fruit. One day, a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. Mom, this sailor was actually looking for India. He wanted to buy black pepper. Instead, he found South America and the chili. Selvi, how sad for Columbus. Mom, it was a little sad, but because he went to South America, he found the chili it was as spicy as the black pepper. And so Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country with him. Money. But how did it come here? Father, chili was one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. Chilies are cultivated more in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. Mom, in India, chili was first brought into Goa and the people there learned to use this new spice in their cooking. Before the entry of chilies, pepper was used in cooking. Do you know? Chilies were first known as Kove Mirchi. Soon there were many different kinds of chilies. Some were long and thin, and some were fat and stubby. People in India and Sri Lanka began to use these in their cooking. Soon it spread to many other parts of the world. Sylvie and Mani looked at the chili on their plate. Mani, and how you make our food delicious? Selvi, what a long distance you have traveled. They shouted and quickly took a bite of the chili. Selvi, to waste, you would be very bad and so we are going to eat you. Mani, ha, it's hot and spicy. Book exercise. Look at the pictures. What do they tell you? Fill in the blanks with the item that tastes the same. One example is given for each. First one, sweet, sugar cane. Example, candy, cake, ice cream. Second one, sour, lime. Answer, cheese, vinegar, yogurt. Third one, bitter, bitter gourd. Answer, fenugreek, olives, spinach. Fourth one, salty, salt. Answer, pickles, seaweed. Fifth one, astringent, peanut, pomegranate, broccoli, lentils. Sixth one, pungent, ginger. Answer, garlic, onion, black pepper. Next glossary. Foreign, belongs to other country. Merchants, people who trade. Sailed, traveled in a boat or ship. Portuguese, people of Portugal. Adventurous, brave and bold. Popular, well known. Stubby, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. Next one, read and understand. Exercise A, work in pairs. Tick the best option. First question, when Amma said, don't upset our foreign visitors, she meant. Correct answer, option C, chili. Second question, Sylvie asked, Did they come in an aeroplane because she? Answer option A was joking. Third question, Amma bought the vegetables from the correct option. Answer A shops. Next, answer the following antonyms and answer in a paragraph. Write in your English classwork note. Write heading of the lesson, a visitor from distant lands. Roman letter 1, answer the following. Who first brought these vegetables to India? Answer, the Portuguese brought vegetables first to India. Second question, who came to India from Portugal in search of pepper? Answer, Vasco da Gama came to India from Portugal in search of pepper. Third question, what did Amma mean when she said tomatoes, ladies' fingers and corn came from other countries? Answer, they were not found in India, they were brought by foreigners. Roman letter 2, antonyms. First question, distance. Answer, near. Second question, attractive. Answer, repulsive. Third question, visitor. Answer, host. Fourth question, sweet. Answer, bitter. Fifth question, locally. Answer, globally. Roman letter 3, answer in a paragraph. Question, write a summary of the lesson, a visitor from distant lands. Answer, this lesson is about native and imported vegetables. One day, when Amma served potato curry, man's favorite dish, he refused. He told that potato is a foreign vegetable and he would like locally grown food. Tomatoes, pineapple, corn, ladies' fingers were other foreign vegetables. When Mani asked how these vegetables reached India, his father explained that merchants brought them by sea. The merchants came to India to take spices and in turn Portuguese gave us potatoes. The chilies were grown in South America where Columbus discovered it and later it reached India from Portuguese. Before chilies, we used pepper in cooking. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Read and write given question answer, antonyms and paragraph question. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Thank you children. Take care.